If you want to update Facebook application to the latest version on your Android device, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, there are two simple ways to update your Facebook application to the latest version so you get access to all the latest features. The first one is to simply open the App Store on your Android device. Then simply head over to search bar on the bottom and then simply search for Facebook application and then open Facebook. Now if you find an option of update or update Facebook on this page, you can simply tap on update and you can simply update Facebook application. But if you have open option and you still don't have access to some features of Facebook, you can do another thing. You can simply go back and head over to the settings of your phone, then scroll down all the way until you find app section, then tap on app section, then look for Facebook right here. I'll click on see all apps, then search for Facebook, then tap on Facebook again. Now you'll have to tap on storage and cache. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on clear cache, then go back, and then you'll have to uninstall Facebook application from your phone by tapping on this bin and then hit uninstall, and then head over to the App Store, Play Store again, and you'll have to install it once again. And by doing this, all the glitches and bugs on your Facebook application will be removed, will be solved, and you'll be able to use Facebook app smoothly, and you'll also get access to all the latest features. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.